Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing really easy home storage making. It's actually pretty free. Whenever we go to the shopping, we have to buy the bags and we have to pay for that bags, and now it's actually going up price so much. So this is the easiest way. I have so much bags and most of the time I forget my bag in my car or in my home. So one day I noticed my garage full of these bags. So I make these totes. It was very easy, totally free, and this is also a bag. And this is little hardcover. It's so cute. I think it was $1.49. So you can make tons of storage if you like these kind of bags. I really like it because it's pretty hard. So it's sustain his stability, and you have to put your another things even you can use in your closets to organize your clothing, but I use it for to put my gloves and hats for the winter stuff. And I make 3 and 4 bag. So one I will put in my car, fold that bag, because one day I noticed there is almost 20 to 30 bags in my garage and it creates so much mess. So that's I fold all the bags and then make this bag. This bag I bought from the Home Sense. Whenever I go to the Home Sense, they have a really nice selection of the totes. So they are usually $1.49 and really good quality and awesome prints. And this is I made from the paper. See, I'm gonna show you. It's actually really easy. You can see the arrow. So you fold it inside like this from all the sides, your desirable height. So I fold it in a half and that's it. It's that simple. So you can turn these back into your storage bins. You can use in the pantry, you can use in your closet, you can use behind your car dicky, so you can put your groceries in. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna show you more useful hacks because we don't want to spend way more money on the bags. It's just a wastage of money. So you should always have a reusable bag in your car. So that's how I turn. This is the cloth one. So this is not that sturdy, but I really like it. So if you like the video, give me thumbs up, subscribe the channel and hit the like button, and I'm gonna share you the detailed video how I start my day. My channel is all about Canadian living. I live in Canada. It's pretty cold now, so now I mostly work inside the house to organize it, to make it beautiful. But when it's summer, I really work in the garden. So this is my favorite things to do. Thanks for watching.